Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today, this is the free printable. Very excited because this kit here that I'm going to show you in just a second has been requested for about 10 years ago, not for a very long time. And for whatever the reasons, I was just waiting to collect the right image to design it. The kit was requested by a very special person. Special person is called Tamara. Tamara is also a member of my VIP lounge, my subscriptions that I offer on my website. So Tamara's asked a while ago if I could design a kit from San Francisco. I have on my website a mini kit from New York, and I got quite a lot of cities I want to design. So I finally made it and created a kit dedicated to San Francisco. And I gathered all the pictures and I wanted to make like a kit that is full of collage, especially if you do travel journals or memory keeping and you travel. This sort of kit great for these sort of purposes. So this is the freebie, and as I said, is a collage. We got the typical houses, we got the bridge, we got the trams, we got some ephemera, and of course I have to put my butterflies and my flowers, because you know guys, I am obsessed with butterflies and I'm obsessed with flowers. I put some black and white pictures I found online. So it's a collage, all different bits and pieces, and I hope that Tamara likes it, and of course I hope you guys like it too. Now this kit, which this one here, is available on my website, but also for this month only, for April, it's been gifted to all my VIP members, of course Tamara included. Just a little treat, because April is the month of my birthday, and also is the month of my channel birthday, and also is the month of my business birthday. So there is a lot to celebrate in April. And also by the time you watch this video, I'm on the plane to Italy, so I'm going to celebrate my 40th birthday in Italy with my family and friends. So by the time you watch this video, I am on the plane. So yeah, but already got all the videos scheduled for next week, so don't worry guys, you won't miss anything. Right, let me quickly give you a quick flick through of this. This is available on my website if you want to purchase this mini kit. Again, it's very similar, and I wanted the color palette to be very like vintage sepia sort of color with a pop of flowers and blue butterflies. So there is a tons of ephemera collaged all together. That's the typical tram, that's the bridge, the flowers, and that's your traditional Victorian style houses. So yeah, so that's the kit, but more important, this is the freebie for you guys to download. So this, I put the link if you guys wish to purchase this on my website. So yeah, so this is the freebie for today. Let me put it aside. As usual guys, two ways to get my freebie. Way number one is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week, so just look out. And way number two, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files, and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay, so throughout this month, throughout April, I'm offering a 40% discount across everything on my website because it's my 40th birthday. So yeah, throughout April, 40% discount, everything, including my ebook, my junk journal workshops, my digital papers, everything is in there. You get 40% discount. Just simply use the code 40OFF. Okay, 40OFF in capital letter, and I will put it here on the screen as well. Okay, guys, so don't forget to join my Facebook group to download this beautiful freebie. Tamara, I hope you like the kit that you guys got for free this month for the VIP members, and I hope you guys are enjoying this week freebie. I will see you next week for a pre-recorded video. Have a fabulous weekend, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.